Hello, in this video we are going to explain how to enter an inventory item by weight or volume. Starting at the dashboard, first go to the inventory module on the left-hand side and select items. Now select the subcategory dropdown that this item should be in. In this example, we are going to add green peppers, so let's pick produce from the dropdown. Enter the item name, the product code, and the supplier. You will notice that you can use the tab key to move between fields and select dropdowns for available fields, such as the supplier. Then in the purchase box, select how you buy the item. You can either choose by weight or volume, by single package, or by multi-unit package. For green peppers, we are going to assume we buy it by the pound in this example, so select by weight or volume. For examples of buying by package or multi-unit package, please see other videos in this series. In the purchase box, enter the unit of measurement that you buy it by, whether it's pounds, kilograms, or otherwise. In this case, we are selecting pounds. The quantity for 1 unit is automatically set to 1. Enter the purchase price. Then in the recipe area, select the default unit of measurement that you want to build your menu recipes in. Note, this is not the measurement unit that you always need to build your recipes in, just the default unit that will appear as the primary option when you select this ingredient in a recipe. Next, enter the yield for the item, which is defaulted to 100%. The yield is how much finished product you get after cleaning or trimming the item for waste. This is so that Navi can accurately price the item in recipes when you are including ingredients. An item that you buy for $2 a pound that only yields 50% once you have cleaned it is actually costing you $4 a pound when you build your recipes. So for example, green peppers might have a 90% yield when you remove the core. Click the recipe by both weight and volume button if you would like to be able to build your recipes or count your inventory by both volume and weight. When you click the box, it now will allow you to tell Navi the relationship for the item between the weight and the volume. The volumes of ingredients aren't all the same. They have different densities. For example, 1 quart of water weighs much less than 1 quart of syrup. So we need to let the system know that relationship if we want the system to understand the cost of the item in both weight measurements and volume measurements. So for green pepper, let's do that. Let's weigh a cup of diced green pepper and let the system know the relationship. Now we can recipe and count this item any way we want. Lastly, in the bottom left, select the method you will most often want to count the item. Again, this isn't how you always need to count the item, just the default, which you can change when doing your counts. Don't forget to click Save in the top right corner when you are done.